Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty tools and treatments. Today, we're reviewing the Granteva Hooded Hair Dryer with an integrated headband that reduces heat around your ears and neck. If you've ever struggled with discomfort during long, deep conditioning sessions, or felt like your hair dryer wasn't cutting it for your curls, this hooded dryer might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's start with a quick overview. This dryer is designed for those who love achieving salon-quality styles from the comfort of home. It's perfect for heat styling, deep conditioning, and hair oil treatments using tools like rollers, flexi rods, or curl formers. The hood itself is lightweight, portable, and fits most standard handheld hair dryers, which makes it super convenient. One standout feature is the long hose that allows freedom for multitasking, so you can read, cook, or even work while drying your hair. In terms of usability, it's easy to set up. Simply attach the hose to your dryer, secure the hood with the adjustable velcro strap and chin tie, and you're good to go. One big plus is the integrated headband. It helps reduce heat exposure around your ears and neck, which can be a common pain point when using hooded dryers for extended periods. The headband really makes it more comfortable for longer treatments, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted deep conditioning without the burn. When it comes to performance, the Granteva Hooded Hair Dryer does not disappoint. I used it for a deep conditioning session, and it dried my curls in nearly half the time compared to air drying. Its diffused airflow technology means that the heat is distributed evenly, which speeds up drying without overheating any one area. I also love that it doesn't leave my hair frizzy, unlike some traditional blow dryers. If you have curly hair, you know how essential a good drying process is to lock in moisture while keeping your curls defined. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. One of the best things about this product is how hands-free it is. No need to hold a hair dryer for long stretches. Just set it up and let it work its magic. The heat reduction feature around sensitive areas like your ears and neck is a thoughtful addition, making it comfortable for longer use. On the flip side, while the hood is adjustable, some users with very large rollers or extra thick hair may find it a tight fit. Also, the hose can feel slightly bulky if you're using it in smaller spaces. Compared to similar products on the market, like the Conair Soft Bonnet Dryer or the Kiss Red Bonnet Hood Dryer, the Granteva model stands out for its focus on comfort, thanks to the integrated headband. The others are functional, but they don't have the same heat reduction feature, which is a game changer if you regularly do long conditioning sessions. Is it worth the money? At its price point, it offers solid value, especially considering the quality and comfort. Some cheaper alternatives are out there, but they may not offer the same even heat distribution or heat-reducing comfort. If you're serious about your at-home treatments, or if you frequently use heat styling, this hooded dryer can help elevate your routine. The build quality is decent for its price. The material feels durable but lightweight, which is perfect if you're looking for something portable. I haven't experienced any issues with overheating or malfunction during my tests. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, which gives added peace of mind. Before we go on, if you're enjoying this review and want more tips and honest opinions on beauty products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. We've got tons of exciting content coming up that you don't want to miss. Now, back to the dryer. For user-friendliness, this model shines. The adjustable Velcro strap and chin tie make it easy to fit different head sizes, whether you're an adult or a teen. It's also great for multitasking, as it stays securely in place even if you're moving around. So, what's the final verdict? If you're in the market for a hooded dryer that offers salon-quality results, reduces discomfort, and speeds up drying time, the Granteva Hooded Hair Dryer is a fantastic option. It's particularly great for people with thick, curly, or textured hair. While there are cheaper alternatives, they don't offer the same level of comfort or efficiency. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. You can find the link to grab this product in the comments below, and don't hesitate to ask any questions about it or share your experiences if you already own it. We'd love to hear from you.